Welcome to Bike Insight. Today, we're diving into a serious issue that's shaking the motorcycle industry to its core. The 2025 motorcycle market crash is here, and it's unfolding in ways far worse than anyone expected. From skyrocketing prices to plummeting sales and struggling manufacturers, the industry is facing an unprecedented downturn. But what exactly is causing this collapse, and what does it mean for bikers? Let's break it down. Rising costs, the price problem. One of the biggest reasons behind this market crash is the ever-increasing price of motorcycles. Over the past few years, inflation, supply chain issues, and new emissions regulations have forced manufacturers to raise prices beyond what the average rider can afford. Even entry-level bikes are now priced at what used to be mid-range levels, leaving many potential buyers unable to make a purchase. Declining sales, who's buying now? With prices going up, sales are naturally going down. Dealerships are reporting record low foot traffic, and used motorcycle prices are also dropping as owners struggle to sell their bikes. The market is flooded with second-hand motorcycles, but demand isn't keeping up, causing resale values to crash. Manufacturers in trouble, who will survive? Major motorcycle brands are feeling the impact. Even giants like Honda, Yamaha, and Harley Davidson are reporting lower than expected sales. Some brands have cut production, while others are canceling new models altogether. The worst part? Smaller manufacturers may not survive at all, leading to a reduced variety of bikes in the coming years. Electric motorcycles, a solution or a problem? The shift towards electric motorcycles was supposed to be the future, but it's proving to be a double-edged sword. While governments are pushing for electrification, high battery costs, limited charging infrastructure, and resistance from traditional riders have made adoption slow. Instead of boosting sales, the focus on EVs is further alienating buyers who prefer the raw experience of a gas-powered bike. Economic uncertainty, riders holding back. The global economy isn't helping the situation either. With job insecurity, rising interest rates, and the cost of living at an all-time high, many riders are simply holding off on buying a new bike. Instead of financing an expensive motorcycle, people are prioritizing essentials, making this the worst possible time for manufacturers to expect growth. What's next for the motorcycle industry? So, what happens next? If the market doesn't recover soon, we may see some drastic changes. Brands could merge, certain models might disappear, and motorcycle culture itself could shift towards more affordable alternatives like used bikes, budget-friendly scooters, or even electric bicycles. The industry needs to adapt quickly, or we could be looking at a long-term decline. Conclusion, is there any hope? While things look bleak, there's still hope for recovery. If manufacturers lower prices, offer better financing, or rethink their strategy, they might win back riders. Until then, if you're looking to buy a bike, now might be the perfect time to get a great deal on the used market. Stay tuned to Bike Insight for the latest updates on this crisis, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Will the motorcycle market bounce back, or is this the beginning of the end? Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.